Ahead of the Southern African Development Community SADC Summit in Harare next month, the Zimbabwean government is cracking down on any meetings by any group of people and dissent as it fears protest in front of regional leaders. Do mashoko ari kubuda panapa the news okusada pena mashoko ati vachiti aiwa the ruling party iri kutya kuti any meeting iri kuupholdiwa kunyanya mayouths zvamuoziva the generation Z tikuona kuti vari kuyatiti aiwa they are going to disrupt norako kuti vari kutyira kuti vangazoda kudisrupt the upcoming SADC summit. Sambena mashoko ati vanobva subscribe like otira all the bell icon. Tipinda the news okusanyira vachiti President Emerson Mnangagwa's government is heavily invested on the SADC, which is crucial for political legitimacy in view of his rejection of last year's flawed general elections by the SADC Election Observer Mission. Government is building roads, villas, refurbishing hotels, and buying buses for the summit. Yesterday, police violently disrupted a Zimbabwe National Student Union General Council meeting to discuss their own affairs at 10 a.m. at ZESA National Training Center in Harare. Most of the 60 students who were attending the meeting were brutally assaulted, while some were arrested and taken to Harare Central Police Station. Tiona mapictures ya mukuna video tiona vakomana vakakwara makumbo aiwa zvinotosirisa kwazvo vanotovawo capture vo brutalizwa nemapurisa. Tirikuona kuti zviri kuzi the regime iri kutya the upcoming SADC summit kuti youths anogona kuda kumobilize kuda kuaffecta kana kuexposa the flawed elections emuna 2023. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro penhau iyi. Pinai comment section medu, musano subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.